fully get a sense of the RV industry, one need not look any further than Elkhart, Indiana. It's the RV capital of the world, and we're headed there now thanks to our friend and national transportation and RV expert, Mike Caudill. Hey, Mike, how you doing?
Well, you know what? Thank you for having me on. It's great to be here in Elkhart, just north of you guys. And you're right, this is the RV capital of the world, and there's a lot of news this week at RV Open House Week. As you can see right here, thousands of RVs, you know, great news over the last week. The interest rates have dropped a little bit, and that's going to keep the momentum moving forward in the RV industry. Consumer interest is high, but it's the news here that's really driving the cycle this week. I'm excited to report that earlier in the week, Thor Industries, which is one of the world's largest RV makers, and a company out of Southern California called Harbinger, debuted the world's first ever battery electric hybrid RV. So some really cool numbers to throw at you. 500 miles of range, which is game changing, 150 miles of pure electric driving capability with this RV, and they will actually put it into production in 2025. But I'll leave you with this, a cool performance number, because I always report for you guys on cars. 0 to 60 in 6 seconds.
Wow.
So it's going to be really fast. Winnebago actually showed off an all-new app. It's called Winnebago Connect. And what I love the most about this is that if you leave your RV for the day and your dog is inside, you can control that climate. When you're out and about, you can actually monitor your batteries, your water, your tanks. And the best part is you can do it from anywhere in the world as long as your RV has some form of internet connectivity, which is fantastic. Affordability is a big theme here in Elkhart as well. So I searched the show looking for what is the most affordable, and I found this right here. It's actually by a company called Jayco. This is the J-Flight, and this is the SLX. What I love the most about this is you can fit a family of 6 inside this small travel trailer. You have dual bunk beds there in the rear, a kitchen dinette, and a beautiful queen-size bed up front with entertainment theater seating. The price, get this, $15,000. If you want to step it up a bit, this is also a great story here in Elkhart. This company was only founded a few years ago, and it's called Ember, and they debuted what's called the Spark. What I love the most is there's a hatch on the side that opens up, and it allows you to create the environment that you want. Hang a hammock, stow your bikes away, a workstation, of course a bathroom, also coming with this as well, with a kitchen dinette, theater seating, queen-size bed, and that'll go for about $40,000. And then of course you've got this cool vehicle right here, Grand Design, getting into the motorized market. They make travel trailers and towables. So this one right here is their first Class C unit. It'll have theater seating right there, fully customized, king-size bed, kitchen right here, and one of the cool features are a variety of these security areas. So you have this hidden little storage area behind your flat screen, and then residential refrigerator on the inside. For a Class C, this is going to start right around $190,000. One of the big themes here are destination style RVs. This is a new trend growing in popularity. They all are north of 40 feet in length. This one right here is by Forest River, and this is called the C3 Cottage by Cedar Creek. And what's unique is that fiberglass exterior with that grain siding, a sofa bed sleeper on the inside, 2 lofts. These things are meant to be large. Bring your extended family with you. They give you a lot of flexibility. Alliance and their Benchmark also showing off and debuting a destination trailer as well. What I like the most about this one is the fact that you have a lot of windows, but the engineer said, let's find a way to create a patio or deck environment so that we keep people outside enjoying the environment. And of course, this large interior as well. I've got 2 more for you. This is the Crossroads Hampton, and this is all new. It has a lot of windows on it as well, but a big bay window on the front, lots of storage. And then as you make your way inside, a lot of countertop space, lots of storage, a sectional sofa right here, and then you can see this is the kitchen dinette area. Master suite, and my favorite feature is actually a designated laundry room area where you can use the washer and dryer. Yeah, really cool feature. And then I saved this one for you because I can see you and I kicking it out on the rear deck of what I'm calling the party patio.
I'm
down. This is the Forest River Salem 32 veranda, and they've engineered a back deck on this that allows you to hang out, watch a football game, tailgate, and lounge. You pop your 2 chairs out, and while you guys are hanging out, I'm going to grill out right here with this this barbecue grill. What I love the most, integrated misters on a hot Indiana day, keep you nice and cool, and of course the inside is all luxury as well. So a lot of cool features here up in Elkhart for RV Open House, and a lot of these are going to be coming to dealerships nationwide, so you'll have to wait and see them when they arrive.
Well, and that leads into my next question, Mike, because you mentioned so many different types of RVs. There's something for everyone. We know that there was a big boom, obviously, during the pandemic because people were taking them and going out to parks and trying to do that sort of thing. What are dealers kind of anticipating now heading into this post-pandemic era that we're in? Do they still see that boom coming, or is it changing a little bit?
Well, it's a combination of the two. There's a blessing and a curse, right, to COVID. A lot of sales, right?
Sure.
I mean, RVs were selling off of dealership lots, and now what they've been able to do, focus on technology like that Thor hybrid or the Winnebago Connect app. So it's given them a chance to catch up with some things happening in the market and allow them to become more innovative, like these ones that you've seen here. But consumers want to get outdoors, whether you want the $15,000 unit or the $190,000 unit. There's one thing that ties everybody together, and that's the lifestyle, the fun, the memories that you create inside your RV. And so that's really what it is. Consumer confidence is there. The rate drop last week is really going to continue spurring momentum in the industry.
Mike, it almost seems like a crime that you are this close to the station and we don't actually get to hang out. But we are so happy to have you here in Middle America previewing all these things. And of course, we will have all the information about the Elkhart RV Open House on our website, allindiana.tv. Mike, thank you again. We appreciate it, my friend.
All right. Thank you so much.